As a vet, my patients aren't people, so I have to communicate with them in a completely different way. With my experience, I can understand them even without using words, but each and every one of them is different and unique. So I'm always looking for better tools to help me diagnose and treat my patients. A traditional otoscope is a handy tool, but if I could record clear images and video, that would be a tremendous help and a big time saver for many of my examinations. So I was looking for something that's portable, easy to use, could record clear images and video, and even display the images on a large screen, until I found SyncVision iO1 Vet. This is the only product that meets all my needs and has the reliability that surpasses my expectations. One important feature that iO1 has that many others don't is a large LCD screen that replaces the viewfinder in a traditional otoscope. It's intuitive, clear, and very convenient with my SyncVision iO1 Vet. I can take photos. I can record in 720p and share the video in real time on external monitors. And sometimes, when I need to switch to a different head for a different examination, I don't need to restart the iO1 Vet. I can continue to work without interruption. One of the most common health issues that my patients have is parasites. So being able to record videos really helps me determine the extent of an infection. Cats and dogs' ear canals form an L, which makes it impossible to do a thorough examination without an aid. Even when my patients present similar symptoms or behaviors like ear scratching or head shaking, the underlying cause might be completely different. With iO1 Vet, it's easy to show the pet owners what's happening inside right away. It also helps me create a library of images that demonstrate different stages of various diseases. And from there, we can determine the best course of treatment for my patient, in hopes that the owners will treat their pet's ailments with the seriousness they deserve.
It's been a little bit more than a year since I adopted online. The first time I met her, she had a really bad ear infection, so I took her right away to the vet. And when the vet showed me a picture of the ear mites inside Online's ear, I was shocked. And when he compared it with the picture of other dogs' ear infection, I truly understood the seriousness of Online's condition. However, with every follow-up visit, I could see with my own eyes the progress Online was making, and it truly eased my mind. We couldn't thank our vet enough.
The most difficult part of my job is not only communicating with my patients, but also with their owners. iO1 Vet really bridged that gap for me. No longer do I have to describe what's wrong with my patients, I can show it. Not only that, I also have a visual record of the patient's history, so both the owner and I can see the progress that the patient is making. iO1 Vet is now an essential instrument in my practice and for my patients. SyncVision, innovation for a better world.